The first line will go like this. Second line should pass through this 4 0 and 5 1. Okay, from the pair of linear equations in the following problem, find the solution graphically. Yes, 10 students of a class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so here you want to solve the problem using graphical method, not algebraic method. So you want to draw the graphs. So how we can draw the graph? So there are two statements. From these two statements, you want to write the equations first, then draw their graphs. Then the intersecting point, if the graphs are consistent, then the intersecting point will be the solution. Okay, so which are the equations in this question? Two equations.
X plus y equal to 10.
X plus y is equal to 10. So the statement is 10 students of class part in this competition. Okay, so x plus y
is equal to 10.
Okay, first equation. Okay.
Y
X is equal to y plus
X
4.
minus y equal to 4. Okay.
X minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So x, what's x here?
Boys.
Boys or girls? Okay. And anyway, we can decide. So now we decide girl G as x as what? Or I think that you can select G and B. Okay. So G plus B is equal to 10. And next statement, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay. So what will be the next equation?
G minus B.
Okay. G minus B is equal to 4. Okay. So these two are the given equations. From these given equations, we want to draw the graph. This is very simple to solve using algebraic method. But it is asked to find the solution using graphically. Okay, so we want to draw the graph. Okay, so you just to find out some pair of points on this line and also in this line. Then we can draw the graph. Then we can find the solution. Okay, you please try it. Find set of points on these two lines. Okay, 2 points each enough.
5.
Okay. Okay, I shall. Okay. You please find out. I'm opening the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, we can draw the graph here. G plus B is equal to 10. Did you get any point for this line? G plus B is equal to 10.
5.
5 is a solution. Okay, 5 is a solution for G plus B is equal to 10. So we can mark G plus 5 here on the graph. 5 where will come? X coordinate 5 and Y coordinate 5. So 5 will be here, right? Okay, we mark a dot here. And another solution, can you?
6 4.
6 4.
8 2.
Okay, 6 4 8 2. There are many solutions. Okay, 6 4. Okay, fine. 6 4 will come here, right? X coordinate is 6 and Y coordinate 4. Okay. Any other?
4 6.
Okay, this is enough to draw a line, because we know the linear equations in two variables represent a line. Okay, so to draw a line, 2 points enough. But in the polynomial chapter, we have discussed the second degree equations. In that equation, to draw the parabolas, we need a set of points, 5 or 6 or 7. Okay, because the graph is not line, the parabola is a curve. Okay. So for the second equation, G minus B is equal to 4. Can you say?
Or 0.
4 0 is a solution, right? If G is equal to 2. Okay, 6 comma 2 is another solution. So, okay, first one we can take 4 0. G is equal to 4 and B is equal to 0. So 4 0, where will come 4 0?
X-axis.
Yes, x-axis on number 4. Okay. The second point, one more set. Can you tell me?
5 minus 1.
5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1. Okay, so 5 1. 5 1 is another point. Okay, So if you draw this using scale, you want to use scale. I cannot use scale here. There's some problem with this scale. I tried this many times, but okay. Okay. For these 2 points, we can draw. It's very hard to rotate. That's why I don't use this. The first line will go like this. Okay. And second line should pass through this 4 0 and 5 1. Okay, it's very hard to rotate this scale, so I shall draw rough. Okay, this graph will go through. Okay, these points. Okay, this point. The graph will intersect at this point. Okay, so what's the coordinates of this point?
7 3. 7 3.
7,3.
So 7 3 is the solution. 7 3 is the common point for both lines. Okay, that means 7 3 satisfies both equations, right? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 7 3 satisfies both equations. 7 3 is a solution for both equations. It's a common solution. Okay, so 7 3, we can say 7 3 is the solution for this pair of linear equations. So using graphically, we calculated the solution for this pair of linear equation, that is 7 3. So this is consistent, right? Because the graphs intersect.
Yes.
The pair of linear equations is consistent, and 7 3 is the unique solution. And here, how we can do this algebraically? So simply add these two. What will you get? 2g, right? 2g is equal to
14.
G equal to
14.
14.
So g is
Seven.
equal to 14
Seven.
by 2 is equal to 7. If you substitute g is equal to 7 in one of the equation, you will get to b is equal to 3. Very simple question, right? Okay.